how to claim insurance in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to claim insurance in Shopee. To claim insurance in Shopee, start by opening the Shopee application on your smartphone. Navigate to prepaid bills and tickets, and then select insurance and services. From there, choose comprehensive car insurance. Next, you will need to fill in details such as your vehicle number, type of identification, ID number, and any other required information. After entering these details, tap on Get a Quote to see the estimated insurance premium and coverage options. Review the different coverage types available and select any additional add-ons you might need. Double-check all the entered personal information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, proceed to checkout to finalize your insurance claim. Review the total premium amount and choose your preferred payment method to complete the transaction securely. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.